Meron pa, meron pa.
I'm now inside the Metro Line 3 Ayala Center station, whose operation was suspended during this morning's earthquake, but has now resumed operation once again. And you can see a lot of people behind me. They already have come in and ready to commute. It means that here in Manila, as much as the earthquake has been strongly felt, the public transport, business operations of companies, enterprises are still ongoing. They have not been affected. So far, no severe damage of property in this area has been reported.